The city of Hartford is making sure that everyone has equal and equitable access to the COVID-19 vaccine. Mayor Luke Bronin says that opening up mass vaccination sites like here at Dunkin Donuts Park will help make sure everyone gets vaccinated.
If you need a ride, we'll give you a ride. We want to do everything possible to make it as easy as possible for folks in our community to get this vaccine and get protected.
In a mass push, Mayor Luke Bronin urging those eligible to visit Dunkin Donuts Park this Saturday. A mass clinic is set to make sure everyone gets vaccinated. There are still available appointments, but the push comes as Hartford's mayor says the city is doing its best to protect its most vulnerable residents.
And we're asking everybody to sign up a senior, help somebody sign up to get an appointment. You can also call our phone number. It's just 860-757-8430.
Hartford's mayor is not the only one making a push. Wheeler's Family Health and Wellness Center also pushing for equitable access to the vaccine.
So this window actually opens, and so we're able to take the specimens as well.
Senator Richard Blumenthal touring the Wellness Center after helping approve President Joe Biden's American Rescue Plan, a $1.9 trillion proposed COVID relief package.
We specifically addressed the need for more equitable and equal access to vaccine.
The U.S. Senator praises the plan. He acknowledges there are still challenges to overcome when putting more vaccines in people's arms.
Not everyone will want it. We can't compel it, but we should tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. It isn't experimental. They're not going to be the subjects of testing.
Medical officials also recognize the hesitancy in Black and brown communities when it comes to getting the COVID-19 vaccine, but say the risk of getting vaccinated pales in comparison to actually catching COVID.
We are continuously going back to the fact that this is a safe vaccine. The trials have shown that the technology is not new. It's something that was expedited for this purpose, but this is all, thankfully, science-based that has been in the works for many of years.
And starting Saturday, Dunkin Donuts Park will be open from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. for those who are eligible to get the COVID-19 vaccine. In Hartford, Brian Ditlake, Fox 61 News.